Good morning, class. Today we will be learning about the dwarf planet Pluto. My name is Connor Hayden. So, some brief history and facts of Pluto. It was discovered on February 18th, 1930, and this discovery was publicly announced on March 13th, 1930. It was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh, who was an aspiring astronomer attempting to discover something new. The New Horizons spacecraft visited Pluto in 2015 for the first time. We were able to see it, and this picture is what it looks like to the right. It gets as far as 4 billion miles away from the Sun in its orbit, which is the farthest of any planet, or farthest of any one planet. 248 Earth years equals one full orbit for Pluto around the Sun, which is the longest of any planet. It is much smaller than the other planets, additionally, with only a diameter of 2,306 kilometers. And if it would be placed on Earth, it would only stretch from California to Kansas. Some more brief history and facts of Pluto. Its surface temperature is an estimated negative 360 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very dark and cold, and has a very thin atmosphere. It is named after the Roman god of the underworld by Veneta Catherine Douglas Fair, and is additionally named after Percival Lowell's initials. Percival Lowell was attempting to find a new planet but was unable to before he died. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union voted that it was not a planet due to a new definition of what a planet was. This new definition of a planet included that a planet needed to clear everything in its orbit, so Pluto was declared as no longer a planet after 76 years of being considered one, because Pluto did not clear everything in its orbit, and its orbits crossed with Neptune. It is now categorized as a dwarf planet, along with Ceres, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. Planet or not, Pluto had long been known as the ninth planet until this vote. It additionally has been evident for a long time that Pluto does not fit the pattern of the other planets and is an oddball planet. Our first four planets are the terrestrial planets, and these planets are very small, and then after that are the giant planets, and then Pluto is small again. Due to this new category of a dwarf planet was created to classify Pluto. Pro-planet reasons. It is shaped round, unlike potato-shaped asteroids, just like other planets. It additionally has three moons in Charon, Nix, and Hydra, with Charon being the largest, and it orbits our sun. Non-planet reasons is that its size is extremely small. It has a peculiar 17 degrees, extremely elliptical-shaped orbit that crosses the orbit of Neptune. Charon orbits very close to Pluto and is almost the same size and practically acts as a double planet. It is additionally out of order with our solar system planets, which I was touching on earlier. And more small planets similar to Pluto are being discovered in the Kuiper Belt, and people did not know what to classify these as, so classifying them as a dwarf planet, I think is okay. And just overall, my opinion on Pluto, people should still celebrate and applaud the finding of this planet by Tom Tombaugh, and nothing should be taken away from him. However, it should not be categorized as a planet due to the many different distinctions it has from our planets in our solar system, and it should be classified as a dwarf planet due to its odd features. And just because it is categorized this way as a dwarf planet does not mean it should be forgotten. Thank you for your time, class. This is Pluto.